Hey guys, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I want to review the Hilton Head helicopter tour. I took the Ocean $99 package, which is basically about 20 minutes in the air, 15 to 20 minutes. And it's about, basically takes you to the ocean, takes you kind of a quick cruise around the island. You get to see some of the mansions. We checked it out because we'd like to see where we're going to go on the boating the next day. And also it kind of points out some of the activities you can do, like zip lining, and just kind of get an overview of the island where everything is. So basically you drive up to this place. You can visit their website. I'll put that in the show notes. And you're basically going to walk right out. They take off right from the location you park at, and you get up flying in the air. It's about you can fit the pilot and 3 others comfortably, so that would be the most you could really take on the flight, and basically take off in the air, and then you're good to go. You get a little headset. The views are spectacular. All glass, really nice helicopter. It's really a cool thing to get in a helicopter, so if you've never done that before, I definitely recommend you give this a try, and try to do this at the beginning of the trip if this is something you're going to do, because you might get some ideas of things you want to check out while you're up in the air. Overall, a really friendly staff. The pilot was very nice, kept giving us different kind of pointing out different things on the island, the different suggestions of things we could do, so I really enjoyed that. As you can see here, people behind me, so the seating was pretty nice. You all get headphones, which is kind of cool, and you can talk to the pilot through those headphones. You just don't want to talk when you're going over the radio. But you can see some of the lakes and inlets in the water that are really cool to look at, and they have a lot of neat mansions as well as you go by the water. So if this is something you guys want to try, leave in the comments. And if you have done this tour before, if anything felt like there's anything I missed, please let me know as well. But I think overall this is a really great trip for $99. As well, just the gas alone for the helicopter is pretty expensive. So that adds up, and is time, of course. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. But I'm going to just keep this video rolling and just kind of give you a quick show of what the rest of my trip looked like. All right, thanks. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.